Gagamot tayo kasi sabi niya mag-ano daw ako, mag-vitamins. From the lipstick that we're using right now up until the full makeup and the lashes and everything, lahat yan local brands. It's worldwide.
Kamusta guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello, I'm Pat. This channel is all about drugstore, local, and affordable products. And for today's video is another episode of Quarantine Diaries. This is the new normal and I don't go out a lot, so I get to share more of my experiences or my daily experiences with all the products that I use. Also share with you some things that has made me change and learn during this quarantine. May it be declutter, online shopping, online businesses, or even cooking. It'll be a long journey before a vaccine will be available or the whole world would heal from COVID. Hugs! Today's video will also be another episode of one of my running segments, which is Mukbang versus lipstick. So if you want to know which one will win in this segment and which small food businesses I have featured in this channel, then please keep on watching.
It's so good to be back. Oh my gosh, I missed you guys. Okay. So before we try on the food, before we eat. Ayan, mas maganda yun. We are of course going to apply first the Colourette Cosmetics Color Tint Multi-Use Oil Tint by Colourette. Ang daming Colourette nun. Ulitin ko. Take 2. We are going to use this Color Tint Multi-Use Oil Tint by Colourette Cosmetics, and I have already used this before, but this is the first time that I'm going to do a mukbang with it. I missed mukbang segment, so I said why not, and this is the first time that I am going to feature Color Tint or Colourette Cosmetics in my mukbang, so we'll see. So this is their packaging. It reminds me sort of the Sunny's face. I have here the name Color Tint. Oh my gosh, I don't have my manicure. Okay, and then it says here beauty in all ways. Taray. Okay, and then you have here the ingredients on this side, where it is manufactured, and then it says here like the directions, like the 3 ways done right.
So our color tints are multi-use, oil-based tints that may be used on the eyes, cheeks, and lips. These tints are true to color, easily blendable, and ultra pigmented with a matte finish. So for 3 ways done right, available in various shades, suitable for all Filipino skin tones.
Hashtag take the tint. Taray naman nung pa-hashtag nila. Let's open it. So this is in the shade Olive Matte. Upon getting the product from the box, it says here, shake me up real good. That's all it says in this one. Shake me up real good. So, oh, what is that noise? Okay, so very minimalist kind of lip tint. You have here just a simple lip tint container, and then it says here Colourette, and then shake me up real good, and then you have here the shade. We've already shaken this up, and I think we're going to try it. So for those of you who haven't tried yet Colourette Cosmetics, it's a local brand here in the Philippines. They have really good lipstick or lip tints or lip matte, and I'm excited to use it today because I'm going to taste it. I'm going to test it. Taste. Oh my god, gutom na ako. I'm going to test it versus food. So hopefully this won't disappoint because it says that this is matte and it's long lasting. So we'll see about that. Let's apply the Color Tint Olive. We are not going to do it ombre, but we are going to really put it all over our lips. Okay, so first thing, one application, that is only one dip, and the pigment is there. Amazing. Let's see if it can also cover up the upper lips. Guys, are you seeing this? Are you seeing this teeth? Just okay, so because it's also going into my teeth, we have to let it dry. But as you can see now, it's already drying while I'm seeing it from the mirror. It feels matte already that fast. I love the color, really. Hopefully at the end of this mukbang, the color is still in there, it's still intact. There are no cracks when applied. I've only did one dip. Ang ganda, wala akong masabi. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we'll see if this lipstick or this color tint, this is even not a lipstick, it's a tint. If this color tint will survive food. So let me get the food. And I'll be right back. Okay. Grabe ha, guard. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko ginawa to, pero galing ko. Charot. Pang mukbang na talaga siya. Nakatawa ako sa setup ko. Oh my gosh. Diba, table ko, makeup table ko. Tapos, nagpatong pa ako ng bed table ko para talagang mas ma-elevate ka, para mas makita ninyo lahat ng binili ko na pagkain. Ayan. Pero, I don't think makakain ako ng ganito. Ang hirap talaga, no? Saludo ako sa lahat ng nagmumukbang. Ang galing nyo. Okay, so, unahin natin ang main course agad. Main course. Okay, hindi ko alam ba, ano ba? Iniisip ko kasi kung crispy pata muna tapos yung ito or vice versa. Sige, unahin natin yung baked sushi. Pero kailangan tanggalin ko muna lahat kasi sobrang nakakatakot. Sa ilalim nito, may pagkain pa. So, per batch natin gagawin tong mukbang na to kasi hindi ko naman talaga mauubos lahat to. Diba? Struggle, guys.
Wow! Kaya dandahan.
Okay, for our first batch, ayan, pinadala to ni WW Eats. Ayan. Thank you and happy eating. Thank you, Dad. So, ang in-order ko lang is yung kanilang baked sushi. Tapos, nagdalawa akong nori, pero isa lang ang kakainin ko today. And then, nagpadala pa sila nito. Ito ay, actually, hindi ko alam kung ano to, pero mukha siyang masarap. Tapos, nagpadala pa sila ng isang tub ng kimchi, pero nilagay ko na lang sa platito. So, muntik na mahulog. Siguro mga 500 grams yun. So,
Excited ako kasi ang bango ikot dito sa kwarto.
this one, sobrang favorite ko talaga to, pero titikman muna natin. Ang ginagawa ko usually is that kukuha ko ng mga kalahating ganyan, tapos papainit ko para sobrang nagme-melt siya sa mouth mo. So, I'll be right back. So, I am back. Natutuwa ako dito. Ganito na lang kaya ako lagi. Natutuwa talaga ako sa setup ko. Anyway, so nagpainit na ako ng konti nito, tapos binuksan ko na rin to. So, for every food that I will taste, meron akong water para ma-cleanse yung ating palate sa kada tikim. Pero lahat kasi to natikman ko na except sa ito. I mean, halos lahat ng in-order ko, natikman ko na. So, hindi to paid ad. Ito ay yung mga nasarapan talaga ako. So, yung mga bago, sasabihin ko naman kung yung mga first time kong binili para mag-support. Ako to dito, bago to. And then, ito, hindi. So, actually, this one is the first baked sushi that I ate or una kong natikman na sushi. Baked sushi has been a quarantine food here in the Philippines for all my international viewers. Baked sushi is baked sushi. That's that. So, you have here a nori. It's like this one, nori. And then what you do is that you put it in here in the middle, like that. So, okay, you get more rice. Rice is life. And then you eat it like this one. Oh, init pa. Ready na ba ang Colourette? Charot. Okay. Ang sarap. Ang sarap talaga niya, guys. Hindi ko ma-explain, pero for all the sushi lovers out there, grabe, ang sarap talaga nito. I've learned this store from my sister. Nung first time ko siya matikman, it's just a hobby from the ate. But right now, I think they already have the name, which is WW Eats. I'm not so sure what WW is for. They wanted to have feedback at first, now if it's already good or not, and been a fan favorite agad, this baked sushi. really good. So for this one, oh my gosh, I cannot remember how much I paid for this one, but sa ganito kalaking tub, plus dalawang nori, sobrang less than 500. Ang sarap-sarap pa. Dahil dyan, mag-iisa pa ako before we taste the roll. How do I know if this is really a good baked sushi, even though this is the very first baked sushi that we've ever tasted? We've tried other baked sushis after that, and wala. Mas masarap talaga to. Hindi ko alam kung bakit, pero tuwa talaga ako sa kanila. So, yun. Yung social media accounts ni WWE Eats will be on this description box below. Ngayon, we will try na the roll. So, I'm not so sure what this is, but it looks like spicy cani roll. Gulat talaga ako na may paganito sila. Thank you po. So, ito. This is, wow, taray. Mukbang. Merong cani, cucumber, and then on the top, hindi ko sure, but we'll see. Hindi masabi kung ano yung orange sa taas, pero may hint siya ng spice. Mag-iisa pa tayo. Kasi hindi ko talaga siya malasahan eh. May mango din ata to. Kung tikman lang natin yung top. Mayonnaise, tuna, basta yun na yun. This roll has potential, pero kasi parang mas more of yung kanin, parang mas madami yung kanin, tapos nagkulang lang dun sa crunch, which is yung cucumber tsaka yung mango. Pero ito masarap. Feeling ko natabunan lang kasi nito. Ewan ko, mas may lasa kasi siya, tapos biglang ito. Pero yun nga, may spicy na siya. So for the ones na mahilig sa spicy, this is for you. Last bite, and then we'll move on to our next food. Last bite, let's make it count, guys. Ang sarap. Inaabangan na to ng mga family ko. Kasi sobrang sarap talaga. I need my water. Let's drink water first. Our next one is crispy pata. Oh my god. Tinitignan ko pa lang, parang sobrang sarap. Na-emphasize na may kanin. So, dahil sa ako sa mga nakatoka sa pagdi-dishwash, guys, magtipid tayo. Okay na tong plato. Okay, sinumot ko naman yung baked sushi kanina, so okay na yan. Hiniwa ko na rin yung crispy pata para, kasi chopsticks nga tayo, hiniwa ko na siya para kain-kain na lang tayo. Ayan, yan. Ito yung crispy pata. So, may pasawsawan sila. May nagbigay din sila ng sile. Yung kimchi, galing to kay WWE Eats kanina. So, this crispy pata is from Tom Goods. Ayan. Ang sarap. Ba't di maanghang yun sa usawang ko? So this is Tom Goods. This is from Mandaluyong Crispy Pata. I've tried this before. This is my second time eating it. What makes this Crispy Pata different from the other Crispy Pata that I've already tried before is that the crunchiness up until the end. When the family first tried this one, it arrived at lunch. So everyone ate at lunch. It was still hot. It was still so good. The crispiness is still there. It was really juicy and all. At dinner time, of course, we weren't able to finish the whole thing. So at dinner, syempre, yung hinanda, huwag tayong choosy, kailangang maubos kung ano yung nasa table. What surprised me is that yung balat, crunchy pa din. Hindi namin pinainit, pero yung tunog, yung nandun pa din siya. And sobrang sinumot namin siya ng mga kapatid ko kasi nga, ang sarap talaga. So, natuwa talaga ako dito. So, every time that I would eat with fried food, I would always pair it up with kimchi. Taba! Oh my gosh, ito yung iniiwasan ko, pero yan yung masarap kasi nga yan nga yung crunchy. Natatakot kasi ako pag naghiwa ako ng sobra-sobra, baka matapon sa akin yung lahat ng to. Diba? Ni-wrap ko siya ngayon dun sa taba. Ayan. Kimchi. This is a medium size. This costs for 399 pesos lang. And they also have it in large and extra large. Tapos meron din silang ibang binibenta. Pero kasi hindi ako makain nun. Parang crispy ulo. Tsaka fried itik ba yun? So yung mga taga Mandaluyong, alam niyo na, try niyo yung Tom Goods kasi masarap. Let's subo tayo. Tapos, let's move on na to our next dessert. Oh my goodness. Guys, support natin yung small businesses. Ayan, kasi alam mo yun, sila din nagsastrive everyday. Try din nila kumita araw-araw para meron silang food for the table or they're following their dreams. This quarantine, diba? Nagawa natin yung mga gusto natin gawin, hobbies or katulad yan, cooking and baking. Alam mo yung passion nandoon. Kuha pa ba akong balat? Hindi magpantay yung ulam ko tsaka yung kanin ko eh. Let me put this away and then dessert na tayo. Yes. Siyempre, if meron tayong food, meron tayong main dishes, ayan. Meron din tayo, siyempre, pampahimagas. Check. So this one is for the milk tea lovers out there. Guys, if you still don't know the store, you can thank me later. Oh my gosh. Okay, so ever since quarantine, we discovered this milk tea shop called Sip and Tea. Fresh tea every day, tara. And when we first tried out winter melon, oh my gosh, hindi ko alam kung how would I describe it to you, but it's a fam fave. It's a favorite talaga. As in, sobrang na-addict kami every month ata or every week. Parang 3 nito. Kaya sobrang sarap talaga. As in, hindi ko sure kung bakit. Pero feeling ko ginayuma ako nito. Sobrang sarap. It comes with tapioca pearls, but I'm not really a fan of tapioca pearls. So, ever since na nalaman ko na sobrang yung content sugar nito ay sobra-sobra talaga. Syempre, when I was in college or high school, uso pa yung dagdag pearls yan. So, nung nalaman ko na hindi siya maganda sa figure, ayan, so nag-cut down ako or talagang totally walang sago except for white pearls ni Coco. Ayan. Fan din ako niya ni Coco. But, for you guys, I would try this one. So, siguro yung mga ganito. Ganyan. Lagyan natin dito. Meron din silang cream cheese. Yan. Meron pa silang ibang add-ons. Pero, ang mga natikman ko na is parang yung cream cheese, tas kasama nito, okay lang. Nakaka-fattening. Fattening! Akala mo yung milk tea hindi nakakataba. Guys, sobrang... Anyway, I've tried it already with the cream cheese and sago when I tried other flavors such as Hokkaido and Okinawa. Ayan. Bakit ang konti nito? Pero hindi ako sobrang grabing mag-milk tea. Lagi akong parang ganyan lang or mas maliit. Sobrang tinitipid kasi namin sa hindi kami araw-araw umu-order. Araw-araw. And then, another local brand. This is from Little Big Help. Ayan. So, ito naman yung straw nila. Nakakaganda yung straw because this is clear and looks super cute. Sago. Chewy. Hindi ganun katamis. Tamang sago lang. Ngayon kasi yung mga ibang sago, yung sobrang soggy. Ito masarap. Pero yung milk tea kasi talagang... Dahil dyan, mag-move on na agad tayo sa next. Taray, may paano sa ilalim. Move on na agad tayo sa ating next food, which is dessert. Ah! Okay. Nasago pa yung... bibig ko na. Our next one is the Lost Churros, ready-to-cook churros. Ayan. And because it's already cooked, ta-da! So, they also given me 2 sauce, which is caramel and chocolate. This one I haven't tried before. First time ko siyang kakainin. Brother ng friend ko, kaka-launch lang nila nitong Lost Churros and I wanted to support them. So, here it is. This one is given by them. Thank you so much, guys. I'll just post right here how much they cost for. But, yun. Itong churros is ready to cook. It means, lulutuin mo pa talaga siya. Pero dahil di kaya na schedule ko today, ang bait ng friend ko, niluto niya. Niluto niya yung churros. So, pagka-deliver dito, mainit-init pa. Mayami-yapi pa. So, try na tayo ng isa. Kasi hindi ko kaya. Ayan. Ito yung chocolate. Ah! Baka matulo. Ang sarap. Ayan yung unang dip natin, yung churros. Ay, yung chocolate. Ito naman caramel. Hindi ako mahilig sa caramel chocolate. Ako mahilig eh. Pero, try pa rin natin. Ang sarap! Hindi isa pa ako. So, yung friend ko, ito yung background. Ayan. So, as fresh grad, it is a bit hard to apply for a job due to the pandemic. I tried online selling for additional income in our household as well as for personal expenses. Yeah. 120 per tub. Wow. Although kasi, ikaw yung magluluto kasi nga, frozen siya. 12 pieces of churros pala ito. Kasi meron pa akong isang ganito, frozen. Pakita ko sa inyo later. Ah, may iba pa silang sauce. Dark chocolate, white chocolate, matcha, tsaka salted caramel. Red velvet pa. Ah, ito salted caramel. Yum. Grabe ah. Itong mga pagkain na to, kinakaya pa ba ng lipstick natin? Guys, I approve. Meron pa akong kakainin. Hindi ko pwedeng ubusin to ng isang upuan. Ang sarap. Churros. Ayan, ganito siya. So, may plastic din siya. So, sa freezer na namin siya. Pero, looks like this. And 12 pieces na. Ayan siya. Tapos, meron ka nung dalawang sausawan. Pak! Okay, down to our last food. This is the... Ito, cookies dito. Ayan. Okay, so this one doesn't have a name. My sister does seminars online, and from time to time, she's also like an influencer, food influencer. Like, because it's not really her platform, but kasi dami nagsasend ng food for her to taste, and syempre for the full family, and then she'll take a video, ganyan-ganyan. Then, isa to sa mga friends na yon na gumawa ng cookies. And the first time that I've tried this one, so this is the second time. So the first time I tried this one, it was her debut.
Debut.
No. It was a taste test. So that taste test led to my mom ordering how many boxes? Like 20 plus boxes of that cookies kasi it was so good talaga. So this is the first time that I bought it kasi nga yung una is taste test muna sa family namin. It was really good. Like, ito yung first cookies ko na parang naubos ko. Kasi lahat ngayon ng mga cookies na natitikman ko, sobrang lalaki nila pag binibenta. So parang hinahati ko pa kasi nakaka-umay, ganyan-ganyan. But this one, this is a chocolate walnut cookie. Lalo nung pinainit, oh my god, alam niyo, mahilig ako sa cookies and grabe, approved to. So ngayon, papainit ako ng isa para ma-try natin. Mapakita ko sa inyo paano siya mag-melt sa mga mouth. Charot. Ayan, napainit na natin ng isang cookies and we'll try it now. Oh! Oo, good. Hindi ko alam kung nagbago to, pero nagbago yung itsura niya. Kasi yung dati parang mas medyo flat. So ito parang mas marami yung flour. Hindi ko sure, pero sarap pa din, grabe. Yung walnut tsaka yung chocolate niya, sobrang nagsasama. Sobrang ang sarap talaga. Before ko pala ma-forget ang mga dapat ma-forget. Pati din pala yung shirt ko from a local shop. Okay, so this one is from Legacy. Ayan. Anyway, so kaya ako nasabing I know right kasi sila yung sister company ng Legacy which makes the shirts and the other merchandising. I know right is a local brand here in the Philippines that sells shades. From eyeglasses that you need from work up until sunglasses, they have it. So you name it, sobrang gaganda, stylish. Not only the shades itself, but also the packaging. Multi-use ng packaging itself or yung pouch na lalagyanan. So hindi lang siya basta plastic or anything, but it's also reusable. Like wallet siya bigla. Sobrang grabe packaging nun. Sobrang on point din. But this one is from Legacy. Before we get into details about the shirt, I also want to start with my makeup. This is all local products, like local brands are made here in the Philippines. Philippines. So I'll post all the details in the description box below, so you better check that out. I'm not biased because their I Know Rights shades are really good as well, but this shirt is the shirt. Grabe yung merch nila, as in wala akong masabi, from the cap up until sa shirt, up until sa mask. Sobrang grabe, ang ganda, sobrang ganda. You have to go to Legacy link yung quality ng shirt niya itself. When I bought this one, this was 1,000 pesos. This brand is really a good one, not just because high class quality, but the shirt or the statement in the shirt says a lot. So right here, makikita niya, it says mananayaw. Ayan. This one is baybayin or alibata. This is the ancient Filipino writing system here in the Philippines. Mananayaw means dancer. Ayan. So when I bought this one, they still don't have the ones for the artists back then. So parang ang pinaka nakikita ko lang is yung mananayaw, because I'm also, before makeup, or BC, before cosmetics, dancer muna ako bago ako napunta sa makeup industry. Meron sila siguro pintor or sining kasi makeup. So every day what we do in our with our faces is art itself. So kasi walang vlogger or blogger na Tagalog, hindi ko mahanap din as well. Pero kung makapag-release sila noon, oh my gosh, bibili ako. And then you also have their maniniyot or photographer, videographer. Total, I think all of my friends out there that, you know, are still building up their platform or their makeup platform or their vlogging life. Ayan. So you already know that you are the photographer, you are the videographer, you are the editor, and the whole team itself. So I wanted to show you guys when I bought this one, siguro early this year, the February. I kept the box. Guys, yung box nila, it's so cool. So this is the logo of I Know Rights. You have here the Legacy printed on, and then you have here the baybayin or alibata words, and then Legacy, syempre their print in there. When you opened it, yan, so makikita mo, cut out siya. And then you also have our brand's vision. Meron din sila nung mismong logo ng I Know Rights. Ito yon. I will not read it, but it's like there. And then when you open it, nandito yung nakalagay yung shirt, yung mananayaw na shirt. And then meron ka pang ganito. Ayan. So get 10% off sa mga bibili ulit. And then ang perma ng CEO. Taray, magpapirma siya dyan. And then the baybayin bookmark. I call it a bookmark kasi para siyang bookmark. Tama, tinuro ata to ng Filipino grade school, high school, not sure. So meron din silang guide to refresh our memories with the ancient writings that we have. What's good about this product then is that every time that you will buy the shirt, you have just helped send street kids to school and have helped us save their vision. Wala akong masabi, sobrang inspire tong brand na to. Tumigil yung recording. Anyway, bumili kayo kasi hindi lang basta ito yung binabayaran mo dito, but you also have this on the side. Ayan, baybayin. Tapos meron din sa likod. Ang point ko lang naman sa lahat ng to, kaya ko lahat sila fina-flaunt, is you support also local brands because we are proud with what they have achieved, what they've done, and we want to support each and every one. So musin natin tong cookies natin. Kinontak ko yung seller. Sabi ko sa kanya, sabihan niya ako kapag may update na siya about her brand. She sent me the list of how much is it ng ganito. Ayan, so they have it now by kilo. 1 kilo, half kilo, and 1/4 kilo. So per kilo, meron din syempre classifications kung ano yung nandun sa loob na yun. So for example, if you're going to buy the lightweight, you have there 20 pieces, 10 pieces, 5 pieces respectively. So in a sequential manner, if you're gonna buy 1 kilo ng lightweight, then you have 20 pieces of it. If you're going to buy half kilo of lightweight, then you have 10 pieces. And then when you buy 1/4 kilo, you have 5 pieces. And then they also have the prices in there. So for the 1 kilo, 675, half kilo is 350 pesos, and then the 1/4 kilo is 185 pesos. So if you have lightweight, meron ka ding heavyweight. I'm not sure what this one is kasi nung binili ko siya, ang binayaran ko pa is yung kanilang previous price. Ngayon, nag-update na siya. So, ito na yung update niya. May isa pa pala tayong feature. For our last one, coffee! We have your coffee from Cafe Bianca. A drip coffee. So, I got 3. I have in the flavors mocha, kalinga, taray, and hazelnut. So, meron pang sagada at saka macadamia. You have your note. It says, thank you for your purchase. So, thank you for supporting my small business and follow us at Cafe Bianca_MNL on Instagram. Kasabay ito ng pinadala din sa akin ng Los Churros. So, I haven't tried this one yet because nag-milk tea na tayo. Baka atakihin ako sa puso. Charot! So, maybe I would insert here, Pat. Oh my gosh. I-insert here na iinumin ko si Cafe Bianca na drip coffee. I'm limiting my coffee so that up until at what age I can still drink coffee. Pat, pasok. Yes, anong masasabi mo sa ating coffee?
Okay, so this is the first time that I'll be trying Cafe Bianca, and I chose hazelnut. And normally pag drip coffee, kalahati lang ng mug data because it's big. Oh my gosh. Guys, wala siya yung hagod sa lalamunan or yung mapait. There is no bitter or after bitter taste or bitter aftertaste. Bitter taste, period. It doesn't taste sour. I know that sour are bad for acidic people like me, so it's good for you. I take this black. I don't have any sugar or milk. If you're gonna taste test something, then you have to taste the original one before you put anything else. Back to you, Pat. Tapos din tayong kumain. Now that we are done eating, this is the moment that this segment is done for. Is intended for, and it's all about the lipstick versus the food. So, again, using the color tints by Colourette Cosmetics, we are going to check now if after all the oiliness, the deliciousness, the yumminess, and the goodiness of all the food that I've just tasted and drank, did the lip tint survive? That is the question. Let's do a close-up. Napansin niyo ba, may pa-freckles pa ako. This is the lipstick right now. Dessert, up until yung drink natin, naka-straw. Nagminom din ako ng gamot na hindi naka-straw, na talagang from the cup itself. Pag nakaganyan ako, kita mo dito na yung konti lang natanggal, ng slight lang. And then, yung for the outer areas, hindi siya naalis. It's still in there, but the inner lip, yan yung laging talagang dangerous eh. Kasi yun yung laging natatanggal. Diyan talaga yung medyo mabasa-basa yung lips mo. So, eto siya. Pero, the rest of the lipstick, it's still in there. Again, with every mukbangs that we did in this channel, I've already seen sometimes it's about the lip color. If it's too dark or if it's too light, sometimes yung formula din niya, even though na magkakaparehas, sometimes it's really different then. So, you can check out the other mukbang videos that we did. Tried and tested already. Always depends on paano nyo ma-handle yung lahat ng food na kinakain mo. Kasi lahat na ng oiliness, spiciness, and kung ano pa man, nagawa ko na, natikman ko na. So, I know already na whatever I've experienced with this lip matte right here, olive, yeah, it may not take effect as well with the other shades that they have. All I need to do is retouch, which I'll be doing right now. Let's retouch this one. Kasi syempre guys, there's only one dip. Siguro kung dalawang beses ko dinip, mas nagiging okay yung lipstick. For the conclusion of this video, if you're going to ask me who won this time, I think it's a tie. Panalo kasi lahat ng food that I ate today. Feeling ko, pag ako nanood nito, matatakam ako at mag-crave ako. Ako mismo to. Ako na to. Charot. Plus, this lipstick right here, a lip tint right here, with one dip, one swipe of the product. Panalo din. Konting retouch lang. Yun lang. Ma-dry siya. Sumasama siya konti sa lipstick. So, kapag naglagay kayo nito nakalagay, para hindi siya dumikit. So this is the full lip swatch ng color tint. I also did an ombre. It's on my TikTok videos, but I'll post a picture right here na ombre looking siya. So it looks like this one. And natakam din ba kayo sa video na ito, guys? Don't forget to check out my description box down below. All of their social media accounts of all the small businesses that I've mentioned right here. It's all included in there. Better check them out. Order kayo. Support it, you guys. I think I will have another food vlog in the nearest future because I have a lot of quarantine food talaga na try ko during this pandemic or during this quarantine, and there are a lot of small businesses then from my friends that I also want to try, and alam kong masarap. So hindi pa talaga lahat to, pero hindi kasi kaya sa isang video lahat. Kung pwede ko lang. And that is it all for today. Let me know in the comments down below if which food were you experience mouth-watering sensation. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this to all your friends who loves to eat, who loves food, who loves to support our local shops. All of my social media accounts are all posted down below. My Instagram is @drug.queens, my Facebook, Kumu, and TikTok is @drugqueens. And our past videos are all over there. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you the soonest. Bye!